Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. Device stays on all night. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go down, select shut off timer. Here you can see when inactive, set it. So right now here you can see I have set it to never. That is a problem. If you set this to never, system will not turn off automatic if it is inactive state. Better set it to now some number. Let me set it to 20 minutes. Okay, so after this, if device is inactive for 20 minutes, after that it will automatically turn off. Okay, so this way we can fix that issue. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.